Hey Daniel, how you doing?
Pretty good.
Hey, so tell us about how you got a hold of us in the first place.
Well, I just saw an ad on Facebook, and it said send a message. I sent the message, and it got right back to me.
Cool. And I came out here. You were talking to my son, talking to me. We came out here, we measured, and you ended up picking the Yellowstone, right?
Yes.
And what did you like about the Yellowstone fence?
I mean, it was good for what I wanted.
Yeah.
It was actually, I was actually given a couple of choices, and this one that really worked for me.
Yeah, you wanted the privacy, right?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Definitely.
Because you had chain link, right, before?
Yeah, I had chain link fence. It was small. Got big dogs, and mostly the privacy.
Awesome.
Now I have it.
Yeah, and you see the work we did here. Are you guys happy with the work?
Definitely. I've seen what was online, and I liked it, but seeing it in person is way better.
All right, and would you recommend us?
Oh, definitely, definitely, to everybody.
What are the couple of things you liked about our company?
Really just I needed it done. I wanted it done in a timely manner, and I know it was like a lot to ask, but got it done. I wanted it done before a certain time, and it got done. And the guys out here, they were cool. I mean, just the work itself. The work itself was great.
Yeah.
And yeah, I mean, even the price, everything.
Awesome. Well, thanks a lot, and we appreciate it, and we may be doing your sod soon.
Oh, definitely.
All right, thank you.